What's up, everybody? Gonna be doing a fridge tour today, and just so you know, this is probably gonna be the saddest fridge tour you've ever seen. Definitely not a celebrity or a rich person fridge tour, just me. Anyhow, so first things first, it's an LG fridge. It's got this dealio right here for ice, water. Got the fridge compartment, freezer compartment. Got random magnets, pictures, my son, my dog, my son, random magnets, junk on top of the fridge. Okay, let's see what's inside the fridge. Alright, I guess we start with a door here. Some boosts. Those are my grandmother's. Got some butter up here. Random butter, real butter. Unsalted butter, but it's real butter. Random Kool-Aid jar. Let's see here. Mayonnaise, water. Almond milk, because my son can't have dairy. Sriracha, that's mine. I love sriracha. Grandmother has wine. Milk for whoever. Diet Pepsi. This actually nobody's in the house. My aunt comes over sometimes and she drinks those. The other door here. Apple juices. All kinds of random condiments. Jelly. Ketchup. Some of that stuff in the back is probably really old, needs to be thrown out. Cream cheese. Carrots. We eat a lot of carrots. Dairy-free butter. Again, because my son can't have dairy, so we all just have dairy-free butter. You know, making recipes or whatever. Muffin tops that my fiance made. Tortillas, because I'm Mexican, I like tortillas. Random empty cup. Cupcakes. Chicken broth back there for recipes. Bread. I don't like bread in the toaster, but or in the fridge, but somebody put it in the fridge. I don't know why someone put that in the fridge. Corn. I think those are pinto beans back there. Again, we're Mexican. We eat beans, rice, tortillas. That's how it is. Bread. Let's see what's in here. Random vegetables. Bag salad. Hot dog, cheese. More cheese. More cheese. More cheese back there. Stolen mayonnaise packets from somewhere. More stolen mayonnaise packets. Breakfast sausage. Okay, let's move to the freezer. Crap. Okay, let's see. We got ice cream, frozen waffles, Texas toast. These are like French fries. We call them tater tots. Vegetables. Random bag of meat and more vegetables. Crispy onions. God knows why these are in the freezer. Absolutely don't need to be in the freezer. Also, walnuts. Don't know why those are in the freezer. More tortillas. Mexican fridge 101. Have a lot of tortillas. Gotta have a lot of tortillas. Ice cream. Lean cuisines for my grandmother. She likes those. And that's it. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching my fridge tour.